Dear students, this is a Maths Worksheet 46, Chapter number 9, Decimals. In this worksheet, we will learn about how can we multiply decimal number. Multiplication of decimals. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. First, multiplying a decimal number by 10 moves the decimal point one place to the right. Example number A, 0.5 multiplied by 10. We also write 0.5 in fraction form 5 upon 10 because 0.5 here 5 in a 10th place. So we write 5 in fraction form 5 upon 10 multiply by 10. Now 5 in 10th place and multiply by 10. Now this 10 divide this 10 once times, so we get 5 here, 5 ones. Example number B, 2.7 multiplied by 10. So 2.7 having 10th place after decimal. So we write this 2.7 in fraction form as 27 upon 10 multiplied by 10. Here 2 ones, 2 is a whole number, so 2 in a ones place and 7 in a tens place. So this 10 divide this 10 one time and we get 27. So here we observe, if we multiply any decimal number by 10, so decimal shift to the right side. Now number 2, multiplying a decimal by 100 moves the decimal point 2 places to the right. Example A, 1.78 multiplied by 100. 1.78 having 2 digits after decimal. The last digit 2 digit having 100 place. So we write this 1.78 in fraction form 178 upon 100 and multiply by 100. 1 ones, 7 tens and 8 hundreds multiply by 100. So this 100 divide this 100 one time and we get 178. 100, 7 tens and 8 ones. So when we multiply 1.78 into 100, we get product 178. Because we observe here, when we multiply any decimal number by 100, the decimal move and shift to right hand side of the number. Now example number B, 0.3 multiplied by 100. So here we write 0.3 in fraction form as 3 upon 10 because 3 in a tens place. So we write 3 upon 10 multiplied by 100 and this 10 divide this 100 10 times. So 3 tens multiply by 100 and we get 3 tens are 30. 3 tens. So here if we multiply this 0.3, so this point shift 2 places in decimal number. Number 3, multiplying a decimal by 1000 moves the decimal point 3 places to the right. Example number A, 0.002 multiplied by 1000. So here we write 0.002 in fraction form 2 upon 1000 because 2 in a thousandths place in a decimal here and multiply by 1000. So 2 thousandths multiply by 1000. So this 1000 divide this 1000 in 1 times. So we get 2 ones are 2 here, 2 ones. So when we multiply 0.002 by 1000, we get product 2. We also observe here, if we multiply any decimal number by 1000, so decimal moves to the right side in 3 places. Example number B, 1.8 multiply by 1000. So here we write 1.8 in fraction form 18 upon 10 because this number having one digit after decimal. So 18 upon 10 multiply by 1000. We also cut the zeros from here and here, 1 0 from here and 1 0 from here. So we get 18 into 100, and when we multiply 18 into 100, we get 1800. So here the same rule apply here. If we multiply any decimal number by 1000, so decimal shift to 3 places on the right hand side. Here we multiply decimal number with the whole number. Example 74.03 multiply by 12. So here 74.03 is a decimal number and 12 is a whole number here. Solution step 1, multiply as you would multiply counting numbers. Same as multiplication like counting numbers. Step 2, place the decimal point in the product at a place so that the number of decimal places in the product is equal to the total number of decimal places of the factors. Here 74.03 multiply by 12. So when we multiply these both numbers, we get product 88,836. So here the first number 74.03 having 2 decimal places and 12 having 0 decimal places. Here the only first number having 2 decimal places, so we put point before 2 digits and start from unit place. So here 1 and 2, so we putting a point before 3. Then we read this number as 888.36. Multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. Now here we multiply any decimal number with the other decimal number. Let us find the product of 12.7 and 0.4. Example, now we write 12.7 in fraction form 127 upon 10 because this 12.7 number having only 10th decimal place. So we write 127 upon 10 and 4 in a 10th place here, so we write 4 upon 10. Now we multiply 127 multiply by 4 upon 100. So when we multiply 127 with 4, we get product 508. We write 508 upon 100. And we write 508 upon 100 in decimal form 5.08. The above work can also be set as multiply as you would multiply the counting numbers. 127 multiply by 4. Then we get 508. The total number of decimal places in the product is equal to the sum of the decimal places of the factors. Now 12.7 multiply by 0.4. Here 12.7 having one decimal place and 0.4 having one decimal place. Total, these both number having 2 decimal places. So we put point before 2 digits and start from unit place. So we get product 5.08. So 5.08 having 2 decimal places. Now students, here I solve some examples related to multiplication of decimal numbers. Question number 1. Multiply the following decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Example number A, 3.7. So first we multiply 3.7 with 10, then 100 and then 1000. So first we multiply 3.7 by 10, and we all know that if we multiply any decimal number by 10, so the decimal shift to the right hand side one place. So we get 37 because decimal is here, and when we multiply by 10, this decimal move and shift to one place. So this decimal shift to here and we get 37. So when you multiply 3.7 with 10, we get product 37. Here 3.7 multiplied by 100. We all know that if we multiply any decimal number by 100, so decimal shift to the right hand side in two places. So here this decimal shift to the right hand side in two places, one, and we increase 0 here, 3700, we increase 2 zeros here and then multiply by 100. So this decimal shift to the right hand side in two decimal places. So this decimal shift to here, from here to here. So we get 370.0 or 370. So when we multiply 3.7 by 100, we get product 370. Multiply 3.7 by 1000. When we multiply any decimal number by 1000, so decimal shift to the three places to the right hand side. So here we increase 2 zeros or 3 zeros here and 3700 multiply 1000. So decimal is here now, and when you multiply by 1000, this decimal shift from here to here, right hand side. So we get 3700, 3700. So when we multiply 3.7 by 1000, we get 3700. Now example number B, 1.03. Here we multiply 1.03, first multiply by 10, then 100 and then 1000. Example number B, 1.03. So first we multiply 1.03 by 10, 1.03 by 10, then we multiply 1.03 by 100, then multiply 1.03 by 1000. When we multiply 1.03 by 10, we get 10.3 because this decimal shift one digit from here to here. So we get 10.3. When we multiply 1.03 by 100, we get 103. Shift two places from here to here and we get 103. Here 1.03 multiplied by 1000. So here the decimal shift three digits from here to here. So we increase 1 0, 1.030 and multiply by 1000. When you multiply any decimal number by 1000, so decimal shift to the right hand side in three decimal places. So here this decimal shift from 3 digit from here to here, 1 2 3, so we get 1030. Example number 2. Now here we multiply decimal number by whole number. Example number A, 2.01 multiply by 3. So here first we multiply this decimal number as a whole number. First we multiply 2.01 multiply by 3. So first we multiply as a whole number, multiply as a whole number. Now 201, we remove decimal from here and we multiply this number. 3 ones are 3, 3 0 0 and 3 2s are 6. Because the 2.01 number, decimal number, having 2 digits after decimal, so we put decimal before 2 digits and start from unit place 1 2. So when we multiply 2.01 by 3, we get product 6.03. Dear students, now here we multiply decimal number by the another decimal number. Example number B, 25.02 multiply by 2.1. Here first we multiply these both number as a whole number. First we multiply and we remove decimal from both number. 1 2s are 2, 1 0s are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10 0, 1 carry here, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now add these both number, 2 4 5 2 5. So when we remove zeros from these decimal number and we multiply these both number, we get product 52,542. 25.02 multiply by 2.1, we get product 52542, because the product in the both case are same. So in 25.02 having 2 decimal places and 2.1 having 1 decimal place. So total number of decimal place 2 plus 1 3. So we put decimal point before 3 numbers and start from 2, 1 2 3. So when we multiply 25.02 by 2.1, we get product 52.542. Dear students, here I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.